I was going to do a live TikTok.
Really?
Yeah, there's too many people. I didn't think there was going to be this many people down here. It's absolutely ridiculous.
I'd say to you, every man and his dog would be out.
Don't touch things.
Come on.
Yes, because it's stuck together. I was waiting for the tide to come back in so it can go back out to sea and then attach itself to a rock or something. I don't know why there's a lot of these clumps of... Look, they're everywhere.
Is that what it is?
What? Yeah.
Is that alive?
Yes, it's alive. It will... Huh?
That's cool. I've never seen them like that.
Haven't you?
No.
Yeah. I don't know why there's clumps of like this everywhere.
The sea's gone, isn't it?
Well, it's all the way along the beach. But it's like gritty sand. Like it's been dumped there by a dump truck.
Maybe where they've sieved it.
Maybe. Yeah, that's probably where it chucks out all the crap.
Yeah.
Fudging hell. We could walk up the ramp bit if you want.
No.
It goes out to the road.
I want to find a
But it's quite nice to walk through because there's trees all over it.
Remember I found the 2 crab's legs?
Yeah.
Put them down.
It's more in there.
No, these.
They're just crappy shells.
Yeah, I want them.
Clam shells.
Seen this big jar?
Yeah, but you find some nice ones.
Yeah, I do sometimes.
Look, there's a nice one.
Liam.
Where?
That white one.
Yeah, I got a white one.
I need to get
Want my
some
phone?
stones for my fire. Big ones from
My
Weymouth.
phone out so I can take a picture.
Can I take
Really? Why don't you keep... You not got pockets? Huh?
my glasses and put them in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I could do that. I want to do that.
You got pockets? Why didn't you keep it in your pocket?
I will do.
Yeah, but I don't know what you're doing. That's a bit dumbass. There's just a bit of crap.
Stone. Put it down. You're not taking it out.
It's probably cold.
Oh. These are meant to be
Look at that.
swipey ones. I got them on the wrong
That's
hands.
quite cool.
Should I take it?
Is it writ light?
Yeah, but you don't want all these big things.
I take the big. I don't take the big ones.
What have you got?
No, I don't
That
want
one.
them.
You don't want that.
What?
That's just a mussel shell. That's probably where someone's just been eating it.
I like this one.
Where'd you get the food?
What?
She's eating like a hot dog or something.
Why are you hungry?
Oh no, she's eating ice cream. What the fuck is wrong with that?
You should get one. Selfie.
Yeah.